Mbak Neneng? Halo Mbak Neneng? Oke, Mbak Nuryati yang C, yang D itu Mas Yoga. Oke? Alright, let's do this. Number 8. Nuryawati. Okay. Okay, let's start. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin from Mbak Yuliatin. Okay, and air host. Okay, do you have any answer beside of air hostess? Can you? Pilot. Pilot, and then what else? Translator. I told you before, this is not translator because translator has travel. Is it not travel? Pilot. A journalist? Really? I don't think so because journalists in Indonesia, they don't really need to speak 4 languages. Oh, international journalist. Mbaknya bisa ngeles ya? Ya, it can be. It can be. Aha. Ya. Aha. That's right. Very good, Mbak Yuliatin. That's good. Mbaknya sangat sangat bagus sekali menganalisis kalimat ini. Bagus-bagus, Mbak. Oke. Oke, next please B. Really? That's good. Thank you. E. Come on, Mbak. Come on, Mbak. Breakfast. AM. AM. Taxi. Like. Like. So, she is singing. Dia bernyanyi. Really? Masa entertainernya pakai taksi? Apakah taksi sebuah orang penyanyi terkenal? She does not like her job. Apakah benar-benar tidak menyukai pekerjaannya? Halo Mbak Santi, so what is her job? Apa? Ayo, konteksnya bisa diperhatikan juga di situ. She lives in a big city. Hah? Neke? Pusher? What is that? Driver? Really? Why you say driver? The? Yeah, probably. Probably. Yeah, she works from 9 p.m. Security? Really? Oh, probably, probably. Who said that? Siapa yang jawab tadi? Security. Kenapa Mbak menjawab security? Hmm. Mhm. Jadi kalau kalau kita lihat konteksnya memang kurang jelas ya. Bisa security, bisa artis, ya enggak? Iya. Alright, that's good. That's good. Alright, number F. Yang huruf F. Mhm. Hmm? Why, Mbak Neneng? That's good. That's good answer. Thank you so much, Mbak Neneng. Alright, C. Yeah. So, bank manager Y. Accounting. That's good. Accountant. What about this one is a doctor? Why you say okay? Mm-hmm. Really? Really, Mbak Nuryawati? Ya, that's good. Dodop. Oke, jangan ragu kalau katakan iya, iya, enggak, Mbak. Oke. Ya, that's good. Oke, that's good, Mbak. Alright, the last place, Mas Yoga. Mas Yoga. Alright, read please. Usually. Usually. Perhatikan ya Mas, pelan-pelan saya bilang. Usually. Ya. Mhm. Hours. Hmm. At all. At all. Mm-hmm. So, who is he? Photographer. Kenapa Mas mengatakan ini photographer? Mm-hmm. Ada yang lain, Mas? Pekerjaan yang seperti ini? Hmm? Do you have any answer beside of photographer? Artist? Kenapa artis? Okay, that's good. Alright, thank you so much, Mas Yoga. Mas Yoga? Mas Yoga kok hilang-hilang ya? Mas Yoga? Oh yeah, oh okay, okay. I got it. Because I'm afraid that you are not there. Because your signal or something else connection. Okay? Okay. So please answer my question. Okay? Who can answer it and I will give the score. Hello? Okay. Okay. He usually get up at 7 o'clock and he always give it someone. He always give someone to eat. Okay? And he never be tired because he is loved by the people. Who is he? Oke, apa Mbak? Mother? Really? Oh, I don't think so. That's not a mother. Masa mungkin seorang ibu memberikan makan semua anak? Oh, who's that? Housenet? House apa Mbak? Oh, housemate. Kenapa Mbak? Housewife? Oh, housemaid. Why? Housemaid. Really? Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. You think so? What about caretaker? No. Who say? Who say that's similar? That's not similar. Akong mama. Grandpa or grandma? Social worker. Why, Mbak Yuli? Dia dicintai oleh banyak orang. kalau kalau ibunya di restoran ya pasti rugi dong dia. Chief or chef? Mbak Nuryawati sangat semangat sekali. Chief atau chef? Oke, chef. Oke, bukan chief ya. Oke. Oke. Why you say chef? Emangnya, so the chef will be wake up at 7 o'clock. Apakah chef itu bangun jam 7? Ya, maybe. Ya, that's good. Ya, jawabannya sudah sangat-sangat mendekat semua. Walaupun jawaban Mbak Nuryawati agak gimana gitu ya. Jawabannya sip lah, jawabannya apalah. Oke, nggak apa-apa. Penting sudah dapat intinya apa yang saya katakan, oke? Alright, got it. Alright, let's do this activity 2. 4.5. Okay, got it? Okay, please read for Mbak Neneng. Persons what? Sam and Judy are? Who say like that? Mbak Neneng? Okay, Sam and Judy are different. Why? Really? That's good. Apakah benar jawabannya? Do you agree with the answer? Why? Aduh, Mbak. Ya, jadi kalau dibilangkan different, pasti itu menunjukkan sebuah karakteristik. Ya, sebuah karakteristik atau sifat-sifat yang menunjukkan oleh seseorang itu. Oke? Alright, got it. Alright, activity 3. Who wanna answer this one? Siapa yang mau menjawab aktivitas 3? Oke, Mbak Neneng lagi. Terima kasih Mbak Neneng. Meet him in the airport. So, I'm asking you Mbak Neneng. So, what kind of text is this one? What kind of text is this one? Letter. Okay, letter. That's good. Letter. So, I'm asking you again. Can you tell me about, is it the past or the present tense of the event? Why? Okay, that's good. All right. So, do you have any question about this one? No? All right, that's good. Let's go to activity 7. You got it? Okay, who wanna read it? Siapa yang mau membaca? Okay, Mbak. Go ahead. Thank you. Mm-hmm. 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 But the meaning? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. In USA. In USA? Okay, can you tell us about which paragraph that show in USA? Really? How can you know that's Murfreesboro in USA? Really? Because as we know that Murfreesboro, if we don't see the map, we don't know that's USA or not. At the first paragraph. Mm-hmm. Who say like that? Okay, Mbak, can you show us? Ya, itu Mbak Widianti. It's not near Marlborough, okay? United? Yeah, so can you tell me about what is it about Mbak Widianti? Looking for diamond? Looking for diamond they found in North America? Alright, so do you have any question? Do you have any answer? What is it text about? Ada yang punya jawaban lain? Where diamond will found are? Halo Mbak, satu-satu. Where diamonds were? One. Can you tell us where the diamonds were found? Ayo, siapa tadi yang menyebutkan where diamonds were found? Ayo Mbak Nuryawati. Can you show us about where the diamonds were found? Second paragraph. Can you read it, please? Diamond, not diamond. Diamond. Found. Found. Link. Ini bukan Mandarin, Mbak. Halo, semuanya dengarkan ya, semuanya dengarkan. Kalau kita membaca tahun itu seperti apa? Kalau kita membaca tahun itu bukan 1900. Iya, itu ya. Oke. Makasih ya Mbak Widianti. Oke. Oke, Mbak Nuryati. Ayo, Mbak, baca dulu gimana cara membaca tahun yang benar. 18, emang ada sini 18. 1906. Kenapa kita baca O? O itu apa rupanya? Zero. Oke, Mbak, jangan membacanya lagi. 1906. Membacanya nggak enak gitu didengar. Udah lebih enak 1900. Iya. Oke. Alright, that's good. So, I want to ask you something. Who can answer it? You have to tell it for me. Okay? So, from this text, can you tell me about who is the writer? Siapa itu? Siapa tadi yang bilang? Loh, yang tadi bilang tadi pertama siapa? Mbak Yulia. Okay, Mbak Yuli. Thank you. That's good. So, if you see this text, can you give us the good title for this text? What is the good title for this text? How diamonds were found. Itu tanda tanya. The diamonds in USA. Siapa itu? Diamonds found. Ada lagi. Tadi katanya yang pertama, where the diamonds, how the diamonds found. The first diamond found. Siapa yang bilang? Mbak Nuryawati. Mbak Nuryawati ya? Iya. Diamond itu banyak. Diamond itu bisa mencakup apa saja di negara mana. Diamonds in the United States. Ya, benar sekali. Oke, ada pertanyaan? No. Jadi untuk pelajaran hari ini kita lebih banyak membahas sebuah teks. Oke, membahas sebuah teks. Jadi tolong diperhatikan bagaimana kita dapat memahami sebuah teks dan bagaimana kita mendapatkan sebuah gist. Oke? Ada pertanyaan? Hah? Siapa itu? Apa Mbak Yuli? Kok tiba-tiba ngomong Mbak Yuli ya? Ayo Mbak. Kenapa Mbak? Okay, come on, sing it. I'm kidding. Alright, let's go. Please take a look activity 9. Activity 9, you got it? Okay. Mbak Yuliatin, please read for us. Okay, please continue for Mbak Nuryawati. Thank you. These. Ants. Grass. Injure. Oh ya, perhatikan ya. Kalau ada kata vowels, tahu nggak apa kata vowels di belakang kata itu? Tahu nggak apa vowels? Vowels. Kalau dikatakan vowels berarti tidak Bisa nggak dibaca di sini vowels? Bisa nggak dilihat di apanya, di PPT-nya? Vowels. Vowels sama dengan huruf apa? Huruf vokal. Kalau huruf vokal apa aja? Ya, itu untuk Indonesia kan A, I, O, O. Jadi kalau ada itu Mbak, seperti mana tadi contohnya? Injured. Tadi Mbak bacanya injured kan? Mbaknya jangan baca injure. Kalau ada id itu nggak usah dibaca. Kalau ada r, id itu nggak usah dibaca. Tapi kalau ada t sama d, itu dibaca. Seperti contohnya studied. Okay? Studied, printed. Okay, you got it? Okay, let's continue, Mbak. Sprit. Beetle. N. The ants. Underground. Barrels. Ants. The empty. Okay. Okay, number 1, Mbak. Number 1. The ants that come to our picnic are doing their job. Why? Can you show us what paragraph? Which paragraph? Alright. Read it, please. Setuju dengan jawabannya Mbak Nuryawati? Setuju? Do you agree? No? Itu Mbak Yulia. Okay, why? The second sentence. Alright, please. The second sentence, the second sentence. It is also already read by Nuryawati. Udah dibaca tadi itu, Mbak. Itu tadi sudah dibaca Mbak Nuryawati. It's okay, Mbak. Mbak Yuli. Are you there? Are you with us? Alright, that's good. Jadi setuju nggak jawaban dari Mbak Nuryawati? Alright, that's good. Okay, please continue. Number 2, Mbak Widianti. Mbak Widianti. Yeah, let's go. Go ahead. Yeah, I can hear your voice. Go ahead. I can hear you, Mbak. Mbak Widianti. Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead. Grass. Mbak Widianti. Okay, your connection is really bad, really. Oke, mungkin Mbak Widiantinya koneksinya nggak baik. Oke, terima kasih banyak. Thank you very much, Mbak Widianti. Alright, alright. Maybe you can turn off your Skype for Business and then you can open it again. Alright, thank you, Mbak. Okay, number 3. Who wanna answer? Who want to answer? Alright, no one. I will call you. Mbak Neneng. Why? Can you tell me? Can you tell us that show in the paragraph? The second paragraph. Okay, read it please. To put an N. Okay. So, do you agree for Mbak Neneng answers? Setuju nggak? Halo? Semuanya? Halo? Hello? Are you there? Who's that? Oh, Mbak Amina. How are you? It's okay. How are you? How are you? Are you okay there? Alright. Alright. Welcome, 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 welcome. Okay. I hope you can follow us well. Oke, jadi kita sekarang sudah di halaman 4.10 ya, Mbak. Oke, kita membahas bagaimana tentang gist. Gist itu adalah sebuah inti dari sebuah teks. Oke, Mbak. Jadi, halo semuanya. Halo semua. Halo. Mbak Neneng. Mbak Mas Yoga. Mbak Nuryawati. Mbak Santi. Mbak Sri Rahayu. Oh, where are you? I'm calling you here. You don't answer me. Aduh, kemana saja sih Mbak ini semua? It's okay. Oke, jadi sekarang kita jawab jawabannya tadi yang dibaca Mbak Neneng ya. Jawabnya adalah carries it a. Ada yang punya jawaban yang lain? Jawaban dari Mbak Neneng adalah carries it away. Nomor 3. As soon as an ant finds an injured insect, it bla 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 bla. Halo? Ada punya jawaban yang lain? Halo? Oke, Mbak Amina. Jawaban nomor 3, setuju nggak dari jawaban dari Mbak Neneng? Mbak Neneng menjawab huruf D. Oke, why do you agree for Mbak Neneng's answer? Kenapa setuju? Tapi apa, Mbak? Halo? Kemana semua ya kok tiba-tiba diam? Iya, cuma Mbak Aminah, yang lainnya kemana ya? Oke, Mbak Nuryawati. Bagaimana? Setuju nggak dengan jawaban Mbak Neneng? Ya, itu siapa? Mbak Santi ya? Iya, Mbak Santi. Go ahead. Oke, Mbak. Oke, Mbak Nuryawati, gimana? Ya, halo. Yeah, right. So, do you agree about Neneng's answer? Her answer is D. Carries it away. Why? The last paragraph. Paras.